Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rukia Laltia and welcome to my channel. So on today's video, we'll learn how to make this tasty Swahili rice cake known as Mkate or Sinia. So in a blender, you'll add 2 cups of soaked rice. I've soaked the rice overnight. Then you're going to add 2 cups of coconut milk. Make sure the measurement of the rice and the coconut milk are the same. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, and lastly 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then cover your blender and blend until everything is nicely blended. The consistency of the rice mixture should be nicely blended like so, then pour in a large bowl. At this point, that's when I will add sugar. Some other people, they prefer blending the sugar at the beginning, but personally I prefer to add the sugar at this point. If you love too much sugar, you can able to add 1 cup of sugar, but personally I added 3/4 cup of sugar. Then mix everything well until nicely cooperated. Then cover the mixture and place it in a warm place to double size. So after a couple of hours, our rice mixture has risen up. Mix the rice mixture and it's high time to bake our rice cake. You have 2 options to bake this rice cake. You can use an oven or you can use a jiko, or this way that I do. Take a baking pan, place some oil or butter and let it to heat up until it's hot. Then pour the mixture, then cover to let the rice cake to cook until it has turned golden brown color at the ends, and then you remove it from the gas and place it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for at least 20 to 25 minutes, or until your rice cake is nicely baked and it has a nice golden brown color like so. Once your rice cake is nicely baked and it has a nice golden brown like so, remove it from the oven and let it to cool completely before cutting it or before removing it from the baking pan. Once it has cooled down, that's when you'll cut the rice cake. I'm going to cut this rice cake so you can able to see how super soft and nicely baked it is. Oh my goodness, like this rice cake was super soft. I served with some shrimp vegetables, or you can able to eat it along with some hot tea or anything that you like. And I hope you guys are going to try out this recipe, and please kindly do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia, and see you next time. Bye bye.